walking around and trying to find our first roller coaster. I want something dangerous.
Brother Dave, he chased a bear into
What's that, brother?
that thing. Brother Dave.
Brother Dave! Now we're going to Splash Mountain, but I don't know if it's a good idea because I just ate, but we'll see. I hope it's not gonna make me go. We got a premiere, it's like a premiere ticket, so we paid a little bit more because it was like 95 minutes wait, so I was like, yeah, I think we need to book it. But we don't do it ourselves. We went to Splash Mountain. Where are you?
Splashed.
We got splashed.
The
hairstyle. We went in pretty, came out like this. It was really nice. I really liked it, but I wanted a bit more of a whoop. And now we're gonna go on canoes. Best spot. Best spot. Look at this. Oh, ooh. Feel the mist.
Blessed with nature.
Blessed with nature.
See you from here.
My phone is misty now. Look how pretty it is! Thank you. I want one of these at home.
What's that, brother?
Brother, Transformer. Do it. Aww. Welcome to my castle.
MTV. What is happening?
As you can see, we are big fans of Cinderella. Kind of looks like it's gonna rain. We're at the carousel. This is my horse. That's very nice tea.
My eyes.
The teacups damaged me a little bit.
I left my brain in there.
That's our baby now. What is this pram? Do not eat and go on the teacups. Don't do it. Don't. It's almost 7 p.m. and this is how it looks in Disneyland, Tokyo. All the lights come on and there's little buses. So here's some tips if you want to come to Disneyland Tokyo. I would say have a small bag, only a small bag, nothing too big. Have a power bank with you because if you're going to be taking videos and photos all the time, it's going to be very, very like quick. Battery is gone. Come early because there's like big lines.